What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an all-new ride and review for you today. I'm going to check out a new burrito place over here in the Lower East Side called Sunbelt North. It's got a lot of buzz right now on the internet, on places like Instagram, on various food news websites, whether it's Eater or Serious Eats and all these other spots. They are known for having burritos that don't have any rice in them. It's just meat, beans, onions, guac, a little sauce. They're still a big size from what I'm seeing on the pictures and everything, so I'm excited to try it. I'm really hungry. The cake dealer's out of town. She's out of town for a work trip. And so I'm just gonna run there and do like a pickup, like order and then take back home. So it'll be a little different ride and review than what you normally see where I, eat in the establishment. This place doesn't really have seating either. It's more like a kiosk, like a takeout only kind of spot. So I might shut the cameras after I get the food and then, ride home, because ride home without the cameras, because I'll have like food in my hands and everything. So, and then I'll just eat at my counter or whatever, give you the review there. This place is on Orchard Street, just across the other side of Essex. So I think it'll be below Houston? Yeah, because it's at Orchard and I think Stanton. So I'm on Rivington now. Just got to get across Essex, and it should be right there on the right after I make a turn. It's actually in the old Smashed place. Smashed was originally in like a small kiosk, takeaway only. And then they moved. Then they closed. But now this spot is in the old location. I actually ate here once, but I was pretty drunk when I ate here. I went with my friend Dave from Golden Packing. He supplies the meat and the chicken, the beef and the chicken. So I know the food and the proteins are high quality. So, I remember loving it, but I want to really give it the full rundown. Full review. Coming up on Essex here. All right. Oh, crowded. Oh, what's this mess? What's this garbage? All right, Orchard. So this is going to be, let's see, one more street. Hopefully it's not too crowded. It's been getting so crowded at this place lately. Everyone wants to try it. Here we go. All right, I'll catch you on the flip side. Right here. Sorry. Thank you. All right, let's see what we got. That's going to be the shrimp, I think. chicken and beef. Let's pop these babies open. Look at these beautiful grill marks. Holy crap. Awesome. All right, let me cut these in half because I don't think I can eat them all. No rice. And they all have lots of guac. There's a lot of shrimp in there. I can see it all. Wow. All right, I'm going to start from lightest and go toward heaviest, I guess. I'll start with the shrimp. I'm going to do a bite of each and then give you my thoughts. I'm so hungry, I forgot to take my helmet off. I'm so excited to eat these. All right, shrimp first. Here we go. Mmm. The shrimp is cooked perfectly. Man, so much flavor. A little sauce on there, whatever that is really nice. Chicken, they use thighs, so I'm very excited about that. Mmm. Oh my God, it's so tender, juicy. There's so much flavor. Man, now the beef, I know for a fact, because I worked with the company that supplies their beef, Golden Packing. They have, there's prime in here, there's high-end middle meats, like all the greatest meat that you can get, basically. It's basically like a steak, a real deal steak burrito, like steak, prime steak. So let me get in there. Mmm. Almost tastes like there's some caramelized onions in there. Wow. That's delicious. Mmm. It's so good because it's all meat and no filler. Like it's just meat, beans, guac, onions. Let me taste this sauce. Ooh, that's good. A little bit of heat. I like that. This place is absolutely awesome. Don't be intimidated by the line or the mob of people when you get there. Most of those people are just waiting for their order. I walked right in, made my order, sat down for like 5-10 minutes, and then it came out. Give this place a shot. Make sure you go to my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review, the full write-up, everything. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.